Upgrade your Ometv video quality in under 90 seconds using your phone as a professional webcam. First, find a reliable webcam app in your app store. Webcam, Webcam, or Webcam are all good options. Install it on both your phone and computer. Open the app on both devices and enter the IP address shown on your phone into the computer app. Ensure both are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Next, open Ometv in your browser. Access the settings, usually found via gear icon or menu button. Select the webcam app you installed, like Webcam Source or Webcam Camera. From the drop-down menu, Ometv will now use your phone's camera. Optimize your video quality by adjusting resolution, brightness, and focus settings within the webcam app. If you encounter issues, restart both apps and your browser. Verify the Wi-Fi connection and camera selection. Temporarily disable firewalls if necessary. That's it. Enjoy crystal clear Ometv video chats. Like and subscribe for more tech tips.